Hello students, today we are going to start the next one chapter, that is adsorption and colloids. So what we have to study in this chapter, what is meant by adsorption, different type of adsorption, then also we have to study in it the difference between absorption and adsorption, as well as two type of adsorption like physical and chemical adsorption also we will study in it, and later we have to study some factors affecting the adsorption and about the colloidal solutions and properties of colloidal solutions also in detail we have to study in this chapter. So here see some examples in our daily life, like when we pour the spoon in milk, then we know that milk is spread on that spoon. म्हणजे आपण जर चमचा दुधामध्ये बुडवला तर सगळ्यात त्या चमच्याला दूध लागते, बिकॉज ऑफ द particles molecule present in that spoon holds the particles or molecules of milk or material present in that milk on its surface. So therefore that is nothing but the adsorption. That is the adsorption. So what is meant by adsorption? Here also one point you remember, if I write with this pen on this board, then what happens here, the ink particles are get hold on this surface of this whiteboard. Why it get hold on the surface of whiteboard? Because molecules particle present on the surface of this whiteboard hold the molecule or ink particles on its surface. That is also adsorption. It is also adsorption. So see what is meant by adsorption. Adsorption is a process. It is the process in which there is accumulation of one substance on the surface of another substance, that is called as adsorption. It is known as adsorption. यानी क्या एक सब्सटेंस दूसरे सब्सटेंस के सरफेस के ऊपर जमा होता है, कलेक्ट होता है, so that is nothing but the adsorption. It is known as adsorption. For example, here, carbon dioxide gas get adsorbed on charcoal. Carbon dioxide gas get adsorbed on the surface of charcoal. Or acetic acid also adsorbed on the surface of charcoal. That is the example of the adsorption. That is the example of adsorption. So accumulation, collection, accumulate होना यानी कि collect होना, उसके ऊपर hold होना. So accumulation of one substance on the surface of another substance, that process is called as the adsorption. It is known as the adsorption. Now one more point here we have to remember that, or we have to study. Adsorption is surface phenomena. Adsorption is surface phenomena. So how adsorption is surface phenomena, that we have to study. What happens? Here you see, suppose this is one substance. This is one substance and these are the particles, molecules present in that substance like this. What happens? The particles, molecules of this substance in bulk. बल्क यानी क्या? अंदर के साइड में, इनसाइड. बल्क यानी क्या? इनसाइड. सो पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट इनसाइड और इन बल्क इज इक्वली अट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम ऑल साइड्स बाय अनदर मॉलिक्यूल. जो बल्क में पार्टिकल होते हैं, जो बल्क में मॉलिक्यूल होते हैं, वो सभी साइड से अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. यानी क्या? उनके कोई भी अनसेटिस्फाइड फोर्सेस नहीं होते, उनके कोई भी अनसेटिस्फाइड फोर्सेस नहीं होते. सो दे आर इक्वली अट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम ऑल साइड्स बाय अनदर मॉलिक्यूल. देयरफॉर दिस पार्टिकल हैव नो एनी अनसेटिस्फाइड फोर्सेस. But what happens? The particle which are present at the surface, they are not equally attracted from all sides. From this side there is no any particle, there is no any atoms, there is no any ion, and therefore particles present at the surface have some unsatisfied forces. Particles present at the surface have unsatisfied forces, and therefore when molecules, particles of another substance, particles of another substance come in contact, come in their contact, then they hold that particles on their surface and the adsorption process takes place. जो पार्टिकल सरफेस के ऊपर है, यहां भी हमने देखा, देखो ये इंक के पार्टिकल्स ये व्हाइट बोर्ड के ऊपर होल्ड हो रहे हैं, और व्हाइट बोर्ड के जो पार्टिकल्स है, ये जिसी भी पार्टिकल से बना है, वो पार्टिकल जो भी सरफेस पे है, वो सरफेस के ऊपर के पार्टिकल के सम फोर्सेस अनसैटिस्फाइड है, क्योंकि इस साइड से कोई भी पार्टिकल्स नहीं है. So therefore when the particles of another substance come in contact with it, then they hold that particle and adsorption takes place. They hold their particle on the surface, therefore adsorption takes place. But particles which are present in bulk are equally attracted from all sides, therefore they cannot hold another particle on it. So only adsorption takes place at the surface due to this reason, and therefore adsorption is a surface phenomenon. Adsorption is a surface phenomenon. See, there are two phases present in adsorption, that is adsorbent. Adsorbent, it is the substance on whose surface, on which surface adsorption takes place. Adsorption takes place, that is nothing but the adsorption. Adsorbent. Adsorbent यानी क्या? जिस सब्सटेंस के सरफेस पे एड्सॉर्प्शन हो रहा है, that is known as the adsorbent. That is called as the adsorbent. And adsorbate. So what is adsorbate? Adsorbate यानी क्या? Substance. It is the substance which get adsorbed. Substance which get adsorbed on the surface of another substance. On the surface of another substance. So that is nothing but the adsorbent. यानी क्या? एड्सॉर्प्शन में दो फेजेस होते हैं, adsorbent and adsorbate. Adsorbent is the substance on whose surface adsorption takes place, and adsorbate is the substance which get adsorbed on the surface of another substance, that is called as the adsorbent. Here you see in this example, carbon dioxide gas get adsorbed on the surface of charcoal. So CO2 is adsorbate and charcoal is adsorbent. Charcoal is adsorbent. You see here, suppose this is one substance on whose surface adsorption takes place. Therefore, it is adsorbate. This is what that is the adsorbate. And another substance get adsorbed on it. Like this, suppose another substance get accumulate on this substance, and therefore here this substance which get accumulate, it is adsorbate. This is the adsorbate. So there are two phases present in it, that is the adsorbate and adsorbate. Adsorbate is a substance which get accumulate on the surface of another substance, and adsorbent is the substance on whose surface the adsorption takes place. Adsorption takes place. Then see another some point here we have to study absorption. Absorption. So here absorption is the process. It is the process which takes place in bulk. This is the process which takes place in bulk. यानी कि ये अंदर भी होती है सब्सटेंस के. If bulk this substance goes, means in this process one substance is uniformly distributed in another substance and penetrate the body of that another substance. So that is called as absorption. Absorption यानी क्या, एक सब्सटेंस दूसरे सब्सटेंस के अंदर चला जाता है, भीतर चला जाता है और उसके बॉडी में सभी के उसके बॉडी में सब तरफ सरीका डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है. It is uniformly distributed in the body of another substance. That is called as the absorption. So absorption also takes place in bulk. Bulk यानी क्या, inside. And this process takes place only at the surface. Only at the surface. You see, the absorption, example, absorption of water by the rubber sponge, or absorption of ink by the chalk, that is also example of the absorption. A cloth absorbs the water, that is also absorption. So that is nothing but the absorption. So absorption is a bulk phenomenon. In this process, one substance is uniformly distributed in another substance and penetrate the body of another substance. Absorption of water by sponge, absorption of ink by chalk piece, that is the examples of the absorption. Now here we have to study the difference between absorption and adsorption. Difference between the absorption and adsorption, here we have to study. Here see, this process, that is the absorption, is bulk phenomenon. Adsorption is surface phenomenon. It is take place in bulk. It is take place only at the surface. It is bulk phenomena. It is surface phenomena. Second one, in this process, one substance is uniformly distributed in another substance, and in this case one substance accumulate on the surface of another substance. इसमें एक सब्सटेंस दूसरे सब्सटेंस के भीतर चला जाता है, उसके बॉडी में यूनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होता है, मगर इस प्रोसेस में वन सब्सटेंस accumulate only at the surface of another substance. That is nothing but the adsorption, and it is absorption. See, Next one point to distinguish between absorption and adsorption. In this process, what that is the heat is neither absorbed nor evolved. इसमें हीट एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होती और इवॉल्व भी नहीं होती, मगर this process is takes place with the evolution of process. Heat is evolved. Evolution of heat is take place in this process. This process is exothermic. Adsorption is exothermic. Heat is evolved in that process. इसमें heat evolved होती है. Then next one, it is independent. It is independent on temperature. This is temperature dependent. It is temperature dependent. यानी क्या ये टेम्परेचर के ऊपर डिपेंड है, ये टेम्परेचर के ऊपर डिपेंड है. It is also depends on pressure. That is also depends on pressure. It is independent on pressure. So it is temperature pressure independent, and this is the temperature pressure dependent. That is nothing but the difference between the adsorption and what that is the absorption. Adsorption and adsorption. So in this it is independent on surface area. This is it depends on surface area of adsorbent. And example we have studied, that is the absorption of the water by rubber sponge. Absorption of water by the rubber sponge. And here the absorption of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide or ammonia by charcoal is example of this type. So this is the difference between absorption and adsorption. It is the difference between absorption and adsorption. So don't forget, it is bulk phenomena, it is surface phenomena. One substance is uniformly distributed in another substance. Here one substance accumulates on the surface of another substance. In this process, heat is neither absorbed nor evolved. It is exothermic process. Heat is evolved. This process takes place with the evolution of heat. It is independent on temperature. This is temperature dependent, pressure dependent also. It is independent on surface area. It is dependent on the surface area of adsorbent. So that is the difference between adsorption and the absorption. See some more points about the adsorption. Here we are to study. It is nothing but desorption. So what is meant by desorption? Desorption is the process in which there is removal of adsorbed substance from the surface adsorbent. That process is called as desorption. This process is exactly opposite to that of the adsorption. एब्जॉर्प्शन के एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट है ये प्रोसेस. क्या होता है इसमें? जो भी मॉलिक्यूल एब्जॉर्बेंट के सरफेस के ऊपर एब्जॉर्ब हुए हैं वो रिमूव करने की जो प्रोसेस है उसे डिसॉर्प्शन कहते हैं. सो डिसॉर्प्शन इज द प्रोसेस इन विच रिमूवल ऑफ एब्जॉर्ब सब्सटेंस from the surface of adsorbent, that is called as the desorption. It is known as the desorption. For example, you consider in this way, suppose this is the adsorbent and the molecule of the adsorbent get adsorbed on the surface of this adsorbent, but removal of that molecule, यानी कि उसे remove करना, वहां से निकलना, so that process is called as desorption. Desorption. See one more point here we are to study sorption. What is meant by sorption? In this process or if adsorption and absorption both takes place, then it is called as desorption. यानी क्या एक सब्सटेंस सरफेस के ऊपर भी एब्जॉर्ब होता है और अंदर भी चला जाता है, वो दूसरे सब्सटेंस के बॉडी में अंदर भी चला जाता है, so that is nothing but the sorption. It is known as the sorption. So sorption is the process in which adsorption and absorption takes place simultaneously. Both are takes place at a time, so that is called as the sorption. For example, ink when added on chalk piece, then what happens? Ink particle get absorbed on the surface of chalk, as well as the eluent or solvent present in that ink also goes inside. So in this process, adsorption and absorption both takes place simultaneously, both takes place at a time, so that is nothing but the sorption. It is known as the sorption. So here this is about the desorption and sorption. Next one point here we have to study, that is the types of adsorption. Types of adsorption. There are two types of adsorption. First of all, we will study about the physical adsorption, and physical adsorption is also called as physiosorption. It is also known as physiosorption. So see what are the characteristic properties of physiosorption and what is physical adsorption. In this type of adsorption, there are physical forces of attraction. Van der forces of attraction are present between adsorbate and adsorbent. So that is called as the physiosorption or physical adsorption. So it is the process in which the van der forces of attraction, which are very weak, they are present between the adsorbate and adsorbent, that is the physical adsorption. Then physical adsorption is reversible. It is reversible. And once the molecule of adsorbate get absorbed, they can be removed. Desorption can take place in this process. Physical absorption takes place comparatively at low temperature, because physical absorption decreases with increase in temperature, so it is favored or it is take place at low temperature. In this process there is formation of multimolecular layers of adsorbate on the surface of adsorbate. The heat of adsorption is 20 to 40 किलोजूल पर मोल, लो हीट ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन। इसमें हीट ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन कम है, हीट ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन इज लो। फिजिकल एब्जॉर्प्शन इज नॉट स्पेसिफिक, ये स्पेसिफिक नहीं है। एनी एब्जॉर्बेंट गेट एब्जॉर्ब ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ दैट एब्जॉर्बेंट। फॉर एग्जांपल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, अमोनिया, chlorine get absorbed on the surface of charcoal, so that is not specific, that is not specific. So these are the properties, characteristic properties of physioabsorption. In this type of absorption, very weak physical forces of attraction or van der Waals forces of attractions are present between the absorbent and absorbing. This is the reversible absorption. म्हणजे absorption and desorption can take place easily. Physical absorption takes place at low temperature, it is favored at low temperature. Formation of multimolecular layer यानी क्या, एक के ऊपर दूसरा, दूसरे के ऊपर तीसरा, ऐसे लेयर एब्जॉर्प्शन के दरमियान वहां फॉर्म होते हैं। Heat of absorption is what, that is the load 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole, and physical absorption is not specific. Absorption of CO2, SO2, ammonia on the surface of charcoal are examples of physical absorption. In the next lecture we will study about chemical absorption and factors affecting on the absorption process.